Hello, good morning. It's January 2nd, 2025. So we're going to a lunch because it's my brother-in-law's birthday, and this is my background is where we're staying. So we're gonna go over there and have a good lunch. Okay, this is where we are staying. That area. Oops, make it a little small. Oh, I cannot make it smaller. This is a typical Japanese street. You know, me and my husband loves to watch Japanese series or Japanese movies. Yeah, we see all these things, you know. So it was so fun. I just love Japan. Oops, look at that. There's a lady wearing kimono. Malabo kasi. Okay, this is where we're gonna spend our lunch. Somewhere here in Asakusa. And we already have a rest. Oh, look at the food. That's what we're gonna eat. So this is where there's the birthday boy. So happy birthday. So
okay lang mo magtanggal ng shoes kasi palis eh sa loob.
Where are we gonna remove?
Inside pa naman.
Inside? Oh. Say hello.
Hello.
JJ, ito rin. Shoes ko. Hindi ako ito, lawyer pa to aking inuutosan, no? So we're gonna use shoes. Okay,
well, this is medyas lang.
Oh, it's okay. I'll just have my medyas. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're all here. Hello. Everybody's here. Oh, where's the others? Oh, yeah. The old people stays here. Asa si Anika? Okay. Where? Where are the kids? So we're already here ordering some food, and guess what? This has been my dream. Well, actually in America I've been eating this the eel. I love eels. So it's gonna be my dream to have this kind of dish to eat. Mission accomplished on my part to be eating this food. My 3 nephews are already eating. Masaya. Tapos kami dito, we already have food too. Pagkain ni Anika. Ito naman, masarap ba dito? Sashimi.
Namis ni Aidan tuloy.
Si Aidan. Masarap ba dito? Pati ko naman. Pinagpalit ang birthday ng tatay sa Ano ito?
Chicken.
Pareja.
Ulit.
Alam na, bida-bida ka na naman sa YouTube ko.
Plato.
How do you like your food, Anika? It's good? Meron pang isa pang sarap? Our food is here.
Joy, una doon.
Our food, oh my gosh. It's mine here. Oh my gosh. Our food is already here. So I'm gonna have, oh my gosh, look at that. We both are the same. Oh my goodness. Tapos, ano ito? Hindi ko mabuksan. Ano yan?
Here also.
Oh, sige, lahat pala kami. Oh, yan. Teka, wala mo ng ano yan. Video muna. Ay, sister. I was so curious to open this. I don't know what is this soup.
Clear soup siya, hindi siya miso.
Oh, it's a clear soup. Pero, in that clear soup, this one looks like ginger. Tingnan mo, oh. Ah, mushroom yan?
Oh, wild mushroom.
Mushroom daw to. Anyway, we'll see. I'm gonna taste it later. So, they said that whatever is in this soup is a mushroom, not a ginger. Then, I'm gonna try it because this is just a clear soup. Clear soup. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's a different taste. It's really, really good. It's tasty. Oh, sarap. Ano masasabi mo sa soup mo? Is it good? Now, in America, I've been eating unagi. Unagi in, sa roll. Unagi roll. But this time, it's really a meal. Look at the unagi. Ooh, look at that. I love eel. With rice in it. I'm gonna eat with rice. Ano yung music nila? Talaga Japanese na Japanese ang wanna eat.
String nila.
It's good. It's good. Tastes good. It's soft. Grabe. I love it. This is a dream come true to me. I got to eat unagi. Saan? This is Anika. This is our princess in our family. She's my only niece. So she's very spoiled. But even she's spoiled, but she's a very, very nice lady. And very intelligent.
Spoiled brat.
Okay. Hindi siya spoiled brat. Matalino lang talaga. She's very intelligent. The way she, she's not maarte, she's not maporma, she just tells whatever she wants to, what's in her mind. She's like Nainay. She speaks out of her mind, right? So, how do you rate your food? 20? May 20 ba?
10 out of 10 daw.
10 out of 10. Galing. So, okay, look at that, the sky tree. And we're now walking on some strawberry bean rice cake. Grabe, sarap. Tinawin ka na tindahan. Pasok tayo. Papunta dun sa shrine. Pero pupunta tayo sa hindi tayo mismo sa shrine. Punta tayo sa gilid-gilid ng shrine. Ay! Pumunta tayo dito. Punta tayo dun sa may tinamo dito yung palabas. Ito yung palabas. Ito yung palabas. Maraming tao. Hindi, Gigi, meron ako nakita na yung leather bag. Ay, dito yung... Ito, nandiyan. Nandiyan banda. Punta natin yung leather bag. Deer hunter. Oh. Yun ang maganda sa Google Map. Ooh, yogurt. Saan na yun? Yan yung mag-order ka ng ano. Ito. Wala na silang sale? Yeah. Hindi naman siya talaga sale. Deer skin. Skin daw ng deer. Bilihan ko yung biyanan ko. Ganda. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my sister is playing, but I still gonna owe her because I'm buying leather. I mean, this is a deer made out of deer. Look at that. This is the design I had, and it's so soft. My gosh, this is a rare bags. So you know, if you guys come to Japan, go look for this tiger. It's deer skin, and it's really soft. You're gonna see it because I bought one. Okay, I got belt too. Okay, you know, I don't have money, but my sister will be paying. I'll just pay her back. Now I'm buying those 3, and they're putting it in the boxes. I'm bringing it in the US. Ang haba ng pila ng mga restaurant dito. Haba, yan na yung pagkain. Ang haba-haba ng pila. Tapos itong restaurant na to, oh, dami tao. Lunchtime na kasi, pero yung sa haba. Haba ng pila. Ang pagkain nila is this one. Ramen ba? Ramen. Ang tao. Ano yung pila nila? Grabe. Dami kumakain. Isa kaya, meron yung sa akin. Isa kaya ba yung sa akin? Dami, oh. Grabe. Ayoko mo kumain dyan. Pupunta ka pa sa baba. Pupunta ba tayo dyan? To the left. Alam mo, may sinasabi ang Google Map ko. Sandali ha, Joy. Gigi. Tingnan mo yung Google Map ko. Lahat ito, puro kainan. Oh, naku, Diyos ko, Lord. Dami tao. Daming tao. Halos hindi ka na makakilos. Daming tao. January 2, 2025. Restaurant. Parami ka narinig dito, Filipino yun. Nagsasalita ng Tagalog. So, halat ang mga Pilipino nandito. Kaya ang restaurant. Teka, sandali, G. Okay, we finally found Sanrio. Okay, guys. Entering Sanrio store, where I'm gonna buy. Ooh, wow! There's so much things to buy. I'm gonna buy this. What else? How much are this? 20. I'm gonna go get some. Oh. Excuse me. Pareho rin ba? Different. Oh my gosh, I got so crazy with this. This one. Ako naman isa na ito. Maganda ba? Uso kasi yan eh. Uso yung mga ganito-ganito. Ilalagay sa bag ba? Bilhan ko ng mga pens. So, dalawang pens. Dalawang pen. Ito pen. Aray ko. Maraming tao kaya dito. Hirap-hirap. Ito maganda. Bili ako nito. Sa isa lang? O may dalawa siguro. Bigger. Yung mas malaki. Dami oh. Cute-cute nila oh. Ay, ito. Sino na nga ito? Si Melody. Ay, si my Melody. Yes, it's my Melody. Asan si Little Twin Stars? Yan ang gusto ko hinahanap. I know. Dami oh. Oh, magsha-shopping na muna ako, babosh. Which one? Alin? Ah, oo nga, no. Tingnan niyo yung typical, ng Japan. Mga restaurant nila, yung mga stores. Nandiyan hanggang doon, puro restaurant. Pupunta kaya tayo doon, G. Tapos ito yung Sanrio. Finally, I got to see the Sanrio. Ay, G, alam mo, papicture ako ng Picture. Okay, papunta na kami sa Asakusa Shrine. So, kaya tayo, Gigi, sa ganun. Yung parang padjak nila, oh.
Hindi kakaya.
Ha? Hindi ako kakayanin dahil doon sa camel nga lang nung sasakay sa camel. Hindi ako makasakay-sakay sa camel. Ay, grocery. Wala na tayo uwi na tayo bukas. Hindi na tayo pwedeng bumili ng bumili nga kaya sila ng itlog. Ang binili ng itlog, hard-boiled egg. Ayan o, ang dami. Dito tayo? Ayan mo doon? Ayan nga. Hindi nga, papunta din. Pwede rin tayo doon para gusto may bibilin tayo doon. Tingnan natin yun doon. 8 minutes away daw. Hanap tayo doon. Wala, alam mo malinis naman ang restroom nila. Kagabi dumaan tayo. Ganda. Ganda, oh. Papunta kami dun. Pag nakakita kasi ako ng parang Japanese pagoda na yun. Parang shrine na sa akin.
Ito public hall. Baka may sila.
Pwede tinadaan. Public hall. Ito? Government. Government. Public hall. Baka nga, no? Check natin. Ganda ng Ang ganda ng... Teka, tingnan lang natin. Ang ganda, oh. Yan, oh. Hindi government yan.
Ayun, punan kita dito.
Kaya, okay. Ayan, oh. Magmerienda tayo. Wala na tayong mahanapan dito kasi parang local stores. Mga malilit na lang na stores. Naalala ko yung nasa Osaka tayo. Malilit na lang na stores. Ayun yung nakikita ka. Doon sa binili nila
Japanese Orient, Lucky Cat.
How much? How much?
500 yen. 500 yen.
500. So 200.
Handmade, face, jewelry chain. Choice you like one. Lucky Cat, right hand up is mannequin. Left hand up is people gun. Thank you.
Ayan, oh. Ang ganda. Ang daming Yung iba nag-isito na sa loob. Dito tayo, right dito. Dami, oh. Bawat kanto, oh. Kanto. Mga kanto. Ito sunod-sunod na restaurant. So sobrang lamig. Nilalagyan na nila ng plastic. Start of a street food. Oh, those are fish. Di ako makadiskarte. Ang ganda ng kulay ng araw. Ang ganda.
Lalagay mo sa
Saan mo ilalagay yan?
parang pang New Year.
Christmas, New Year?
How much?
Oh my gosh, beautiful.
3,000.
2,000.
Ano bibili mo dyan?
Small.
Saan mo ilalagay yan?
Sa ano?
Hmm?
Sa ano?
Ang ganda ng pagkagawa nila. Ito 3,000.
Ah, meron sa So, alam mo, gusto ko nga pa.
Alin? Pagong? Wala yun. Bakit pagong?
Bibili ako ng pagong sa si